Hello and welcome to HoverX. I am Shubham. Today we are going to see how we can customize the scroll bar using CSS. So let's get started. So I have some HTML and CSS already written just for styling purposes for this card, and it has a default scroll bar. So let's see how we can customize this. So for customizing scroll bar, we have three properties. Let's write it one by one. There are mainly three properties which can help us customizing the scroll bar. The first one is the WebKit scroll bar. So we have to append this WebKit because it will help in supporting in the Chrome browser and Safari browser. If we remove it, then it might not get fully supported, especially in older browsers. So let's give some width to scroll bar. Let's say 20 pixel. Now you will notice that as soon as I save it, the scroll bar disappear because we had not given background color to the track. So let's give some background color. As you can see, we have a background color applied to the track. Now track is behind the thumb. So thumb is basically which we help to scroll the page. So let's apply some colors to the thumb. So as you can see, the thumb is of different color and the track is of different color. So by this way we can apply colors to the thumb and a track. And let's also apply some hover effect onto the thumb. We can set a different color for the hover effect. So as you can see, as I hover to the thumb, it changes its color. Now let's change this, let's say scroll bar width to something less, let's say 15 pixel. Now it's looking much better. Also we can apply border radius to the scroll bar thumb. So let's see how it will look like. As you can see, the border radius has been applied to the thumb. The same we can do for the track also if we want. So let's just copy and paste the same border radius to the track as well. As you can see, now it's looking much better. Now this is how you can customize the scroll bar in the Chrome browser. But I have already opened the Firefox browser. As you can see, if you will notice that the styling isn't applied to the Firefox. Now let's see how we can customize the scroll bar in Firefox browser. So let's see how we can customize the scroll bar in the Firefox browser. So we have mainly two properties for customizing in the Firefox. So one is the scroll bar width. So it accepts mainly two properties. One is none, one is thin. So if we want to make the scroll bar thin, it will become too much thin, as you can see. And if we set it to auto, it will behave default. So now let's apply some color using scroll bar color. The scroll bar color, we can customize the gutter and as well as the thumb. So as you can see, now Firefox doesn't support all the type of customization, but it basically supports the customization of colors of the thumb as well as the gutter. So that's how you can customize the scroll bar in Chrome browser as well as Firefox. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to the HoverX. Thanks for watching.